Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites. You need a trade token and a clanmate willing to swap. Open the clan trade tab and pick the exact card you want to offer. Make sure its level and rarity are visible. Once done, choose the recipient from your clan list and set the requested card or gold amount. You do this now so negotiation and acceptance happen inside the same interface, preventing miscommunication and wasted tokens. Move quickly, because tokens are limited. Now you execute the trade. Craft a balanced offer by matching rarity and level, or add gold to make up any gap. Use the clan chat to confirm the recipient is online and ready, because offers can expire or be ignored. Send the trade request and watch the notification. If they accept, the cards and any gold exchange instantly. If they hesitate, you can cancel and adjust the terms. This step prevents deadlocked offers and keeps tokens from being wasted. Finish by verifying both players received the cards and any gold moved as agreed. Open your collection to confirm levels and quantities. If the trade doesn't complete, make sure you still have a token, your connection is stable, and clan permissions allow trading. Once you check those, retry with a fresh offer. If problems persist, contact game support, include screenshots, player names, and timestamps, so they can trace the failed transaction and restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.